Fix Waze app no network connection problem. Hey guys, it's Lucy again. Let's get to the video right away. First, go to settings, then search for the app's setting. Here, search for the Waze app. So you go to the Waze app, click on mobile data. Allow the background data uses. Once you've allowed it, go back and open Play Store. In the search bar, search for Wage app. Click on the Wage app and check if there are any updates available. If there are, update it and restart your phone. That's it for Fix Wage app no network connection problem. Like, subscribe for more, and comment if you have any queries. See you in the next video.